I believe the future of education truly lies in the climate that we establish in our classrooms as well as throughout the school. Children achieve and excel at a greater rate when they feel valued in the classroom setting, when they feel that their differences are celebrated, not just accepted or tolerated, but embraced in the way that it enriches those around them. I remember having a student named Ryan who was really struggling and would come to my room every day at lunch and said that that was the only place that he felt safe. So that really made me reflect on why is this the only place he feels safe, and why is he excelling in my classroom? So I think if all teachers, the advice I would give to all teachers is to really focus on that social emotional climate. How do your students feel? Do they feel safe? Do they have a brave space to learn? And I think we would all be surprised at the growth that we see in the achievement and the overall demeanor of our students.